if you didn't fucking know. So today I'm gonna be doing a little mini rainbow haul, but to show you guys, I mainly have techie stuff, which I'm surprised that rainbow shops have techie stuff. Did you guys know? Because I didn't fucking know. If you knew rainbow had techie stuff, leave it in the comments below. The fuck? So let's do the clothes first, you guys, and then we'll get into the techie stuff. I just got a few things. Who else is like that when you guys get home that you don't remember what the fuck you got from the store? Let me save this one for last because I like it. So I only got 2 clothing items. But girl, this shirt was the fucking bee's knees. I don't know what it is with me and dragons lately, but yes, bitch. This is a simple long sleeve with the dragon print on the front. I love it because the shirt is black. So yeah, girl. So yeah, the dragon is in this really pretty hot pink ass color, so it's super pretty. I love it a lot. But what was so fun about this shirt for me is when I turned it around on the back. Yes, girl. So the back is actually cut out, and then there's like this little tie. If you guys can see, I'll try it on for you guys, okay? But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. This is the back of the shirt. I hope you guys can see really well. So this whole part is open. So how fucking cute is that? It's like unfold but not really, you know? So if you guys see this one, definitely fucking pick it up and then tag me on Instagram in your picture and we will be tuning. The next thing that I got, I've been looking for like simple, so yeah girl, I've been looking for simple clothing lately that like doesn't keep me too hot and everything, and I can wear it casually, but it's not. I'm tired of wearing fucking jeans. Let me just be honest with you guys. I'm tired of wearing fucking jeans all the time. Every time I go out, I wear fucking jeans, and like it's getting played out for me. Like I cannot anymore. So I've just been looking for like some simple stuff to wear, and I thought this was super cute. It's just a little jumpsuit, bodysuit. Let me move this. So yeah, this is just like a jumpsuit, you guys, and then it has like the ruched legs. It looks like the stacked legs at the bottom. So I thought that was super cute, and it's a little bit unique. And plus, it'll keep me cool during the day. I love wearing black. I told you guys that before, but the material is like a cotton. So yeah, girl. If you're tired of wearing jeans, please fucking comment below because I'm just tired of wearing jeans. So I got this thing. I needed my this one says love, kiss me, and it has these things on the inside if you guys have ever seen it. But yeah, it's a little card holder and it snaps closed like that. That is super nifty just when you just want to, you know, keep your cards intact and everything. And then the next thing that I got is so fucking cute, you guys. Look at this, how fucking cute it is. It's a little keychain. You know when you like go do your nails and you don't want to walk through your fucking purse, you just want to like walk with like, maybe some cash and your keys and like, I don't know, a fucking lip gloss. This is so cute. It has a little puff. So yeah, it has a little puff ball on it, but the whole entire little is like a little old school coin purse, you know, like your grandma used to send you to the shop or to school with. If you comment below if you guys know what the fuck I'm talking about. But yeah, it's so cute. It snaps like that, right? Remember? Like a little old school purse. And then in here, you just have like a little purse for wheels. And you can put like your shit in there. It has like a little, you know, substantial amount of space. And yeah, bitch, this was only $4.99. So, and it's hot pink. Look at the color, how cute. Look how cute. So cute. And since it was so fucking cute, I couldn't resist but pick up the other color. Look at the rainbow color, you guys. Look how fucking cute. Oh my god, look how cute. There's orange, purple, red, blue, green. So yeah, the rainbow is fucking bomb. It has all the colors. And it's the exact same as the pink one. So cute. So cute. Like I can't it onto your keys and you're good to go. Like you don't have to wear your purse that big. So cute. So yeah, girl. The next bag that we have. The next bag that we have is the techie stuff. Let me show you guys what the fuck Rainbow be having, okay? Because I don't know if you guys know, but Rainbow be having the shoots. So this is the 6-foot long for iPhone charger. It comes with the adapter and everything. Look it. So it comes with the adapter, the charger, and this was only $5.99, bitch. Okay, and it says love on here, which I thought was so fucking cute. But yeah, this is the bomb. Okay, so this is the first item. I love that the wire is 6 feet long too. So the next one, girl, that I got is really dope. I hope they work. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know if they don't work. I'm gonna fucking take them back. So, but these were $19.99, which I thought the price was bomb, but these are like, these are the wireless earbuds. I hope you guys can see the box, the packaging. Let me show you. But yeah, these are the packaging. Ooh, this is what it looks like. I didn't even know you could like open it and see it like that, but that's what it looks like. Super nice. Ooh. And then let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let me grab my scissors. So yeah, girl, this one here is how you call it looks. Can you guys fucking see? Because it's not picking up to me. But yeah, this is it. Oh shit. This is the earbud. It's a little bit different shaped from the original ones. I had the original ones before, but that's what it looks like. Okay. I should hook it up to my phone while I have you guys here, but I don't know if I need to charge them, and I don't want you guys to look at me and say how not fucking tech savvy I am. And this is the little recharge carrying case. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna hook it up and then I'm gonna tell you guys if it works, okay? So yeah, girl, this is what the packaging looks like. It lists all like the perks on here. So if you guys see it, I would definitely recommend it. Okay, we're charging it right now. Like I said to you guys, it was like $19.99, $20. So I mean, it's worth a shot. Okay, and then so the last item that I got, the techie thing from them, you guys, was this brand here. Oh, this is from a brand called 4 Pro, just so that you guys know if you see it, okay? And then this one is called Tune X. So this one, let's open it up. And these are Bluetooth as well, you guys. I love listening to my music, like I told you guys, while I do my hair and stuff. So yeah, these are what the earbuds look like. These are Bluetooth also. Let's see how they fit, they feel. Ooh, they're super comfortable. They drown out all the fucking outside sound, which is nice. They feel like those Beats earphones, you know? Which I've never really owned a pair, but I've tried them on. They're flexible here, they spin, so that's fun. And there's like some little dials on the side right here, I guess for volume and everything, on-off switch. So those are nice. And then they came with like the packaging and everything, right? So what I think, maybe the charger and stuff is inside here. So yeah, you guys, this is, I don't know if you charge like each fucking, how does it go? I don't know, bitch, but I think I might have to read some instructions. But anyways, these are some kind of wires that come with it. Let me show you. And then there's like instructions. I don't know, but I will tell you guys, you know, if they work or not. I'll probably leave it in the comments below. But if you guys enjoyed this fucking haul, go ahead and give me a like, a comment, and a share. And I will see you guys next time.